Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start listing your product and selling them on eBay. Now, one of the major things which people tend to ask me is about how can we actually start selling on eBay. Now, there's certain elements you got to keep in mind that eBay is a platform that understands a lot of different elements that people think about, because you got to keep something in mind that eBay is a place where you can buy, where you can trade, where you can auction, and there's so many elements available on eBay that makes it so unique. For example, there's so many elements such as electronics, motors, fashion, collectibles, art, sports, health and beauty, industrial equipments, home and garden, and deals as well. Now, these are something called categories, and obviously with every category you have subcategories. In those subcategories there are different elements that are available. Now, one of the things and the mistakes that a lot of young entrepreneurs and early dropshippers tend to make is the fact that they go and focus on all the categories. That is a mistake that you should not do. You gotta focus your principles and your strategies and your methodologies on the fact that you want to select a product that literally is a unique product. It's an evergreen product, and that depends on certain criteria. Now, the main criteria for that is number one, that it needs to break the limitation. So it should not be gender based. It should not be for a male or for a female or for a child. It should break that limitation. It should break the limitation of age as well. So for example, someone who's at 60 will be using it. Someone who's at 13 or 30 or 45 are going to be using it as well. At the same time, it should break the limitation of region, country, and state. For example, if you want to sell something as beachwear, you can't sell it in the US or Canada right now because it's winters, but you can sell it in Australia because it's summers down there. And that is the mistake people tend to make. If you're advertising, if you're marketing beachwear to the European side, to the Western side, to the States, and to Canada, it's not going to work. And you're going to think that, oh, eBay doesn't work. That's not the case, guys. You got to understand what you're selling and who you're selling it to. And that is why I'm making this video. And the best place I feel and the best thing that you could do is actually start selling items that are evergreen and that are electronic elements over here, because electronic is available throughout the year. You're not going to have a problem with it. There's never going to be an issue of it. And obviously the element over here that I love is the fact that this is where you can start making money. But you got to focus on one particular thing, that you shouldn't go and buy a phone. You should not go and buy a camera. You got to make sure that you're selecting items that are affordable for you to invest in. So you don't got to invest $1,000 into a thing. You don't have to invest $3,000. You got to focus on the smaller ones and then scale it up as much as you can. Now, I personally love the headphone side over here. Now, I believe that whenever you select an item, you got to make sure that you do your research. Now, there's two ways of doing research. The first way of doing research is primary research, and the second is secondary research. With primary research is where you will physically go out, go to Walmart, go on Amazon, check the prices, look at all those things. And the second way is you understand what people are already selling. So you're looking at people who have stores already that are selling those products, and they're looking at the research that has already been done, for example, by eBay, by Amazon, by CJ Dropshipping, by AliExpress, or even Alibaba for that matter. And once you have done it, what you need to do is select a product. Now, I love this market, and I feel the best way to market it is to actually get it from eBay, because all the information is going to be on eBay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up and check and click on sell. As we click on sell, we're going to get this element over here. Now, there's two things you need to do. The first thing is research. Now, as you do the research, we're going to research for headphones. We got to make sure that the product that we want to sell actually has the ability to make money. Now, as we scroll down, you can see the average price is $73. There is $217 million of work that has been done. It's been sold continuously throughout the year. Now, if you scroll down, you can see all these individuals that are already selling all these elements over here. This person is selling this product for $19.97. They've sold at least $1 million worth of it. So definitely there's a good market for it. A person has made $880,000, $1.7 million, $552,000. So definitely if you start selling this product, you can know for a fact that you can make money. Now, once we've done it, what are we going to do? We're going to head back where it says overview. As we go to overview, what we're going to do is start listing. Now, once we click on listing, we're going to click on create a listing and go for a single listing. That literally means we're going to sell one product, but instead of actually going and doing all these elements together, we're going to go for headphones. Now, once we put headphones, they're going to ask us a couple of questions. What kind of headphones are they going to be? We're going to say they're going to be a wired headphones. Now they're going to say, is it going to be a mic over the ear? We're going to say it's an over the ear headphones. It's going to say Sony or Beats. We love Beats. We're going to go with the Beats wire over the headphones and by Dr. Dre. Now also, you see, once we've done it, we're going to search and it's going to give us a complete breakdown of all the different wired Beats headphones that are available. Now I love the black and silver one, so we're going to go for that. Now the question comes is that what is the condition of the item that's going to be? Is it new? Is it open box? Is it used? Or for parts are not working? Now we're going to sell this brand new. That literally means that the proper SEOs, the proper information is already going to be provided by eBay for us. We can add more pictures. We can add a video if you want. The titles over there, the item category has been clarified, the item specifications, the brand, the model, the type, the connectivity, the colors, the additional information such as the features and the wireless technology and the number of earpieces. Everything is given by eBay itself. And I believe that literally is the reason that eBay has become one of the biggest platforms in the industry at this moment in time. You can easily get the description as well. All you need to do is click over here, and once you click on it, just copy and paste all this information, and once you copy the paste it, just paste it. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. Now you have the description. Now this is where the main element comes in, guys, which a lot of people tend to ask me, is that how do we do the SEO? eBay understands this model, and eBay knows for the fact that if someone's selling this and they're selling at a good price and people are coming on the store to buy it, they got to make sure that they push this as much as they can. And obviously that comes in with the price option over here. Now there's two methods of selling something. You can auction it or you can buy it now. Auction literally means that you will set a price and the date by which the bid is going to start from. So it's going to say that we're going to start the bid from $10, and obviously the buy it now is going to be optional, or the reserve price is going to be, for example, that this price is going to be $90. So obviously this is a reserve price, so as soon as it reaches 90 or above 90, they'll start selling it, and the auction duration is going to be 7 days. So it's going to be running for 7 days, and the suggesting starting price is given as 32. So we're going to go and change it to 32 because this is what they suggest. And obviously this is the beauty of eBay, because it gives you the option to understand what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. Now if you want to change that and say, no, listen, I just want to buy it now, I don't want to go for an auction. If someone wants to get it, they can get it directly. Just change it to buy it now, and you will set a price at 107. So this is the median price right now that they've calculated for this particular item. You don't have to go and do research. They're going to give you all this information for you. Now you can just sell it whenever you want. You have the option of allowing offers as well. So we're going to take that off and say, listen, we don't want to give offers. We just want to sell the product as we wanted. There's shipping mediums over here as well. You can select what kind of way you want to ship it to. And is it domestic? Is it not domestic? Is it going to be based on where the person's location is going to be? So this is the level of interest. This is the level of customization that you actually tend to get. We could offer free shipping where we're not going to do it. Then obviously all of it, when it's done, what you need to do is preview it. Now you can clearly see this looks absolutely brilliant. You got the full information available, how much the price is, what it's going to look like. They can buy it now. They can put it at the cart. They're looking at the shipping, delivery, wares, everything is available. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. Now, if you got any questions or feel that you need any clarifications, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.